belt sander provides the customized power you need when flush sanding up to vertical surfaces. Variable speeds from 850 to 1300 OPM allow you to easily match the speed to your job-specific needs. The motor is located above the platen for improved balance and performance when sanding walls or corners. A quick-release belt change lever makes it easy to change out sanding paper. And the belt tracking system ensures smooth and efficient operation to help you avoid frequent adjustments. And a bag captures dust for quick cleanup and a neater work area. Removing heavy stock, sanding wood floors, and repairing or fine-tuning woodworking project is easier with this Porter Cable Belt Sander.
This is Hitachi's 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander, model SB8V2. A belt sander like this is excellent for rapid material removal. Whether you're using it on wood or metal or to grind down paint, this tool is going to have great power, you have lots of control, and it's terrific for any type of project, whether in the house, in the shop, or general contracting. It features a powerful 9-amp motor and a variable speed dial here located at the bottom of the handle. Also, it has a convenient trigger lock so that you can keep the tool running while you're using it for extended periods. This is going to aid with fatigue and allow you to have much greater control so you don't have to worry about pressing the trigger while you're using the sander. When using a belt sander like this, you're going to create a lot of dust. To help with this, Hitachi has provided a dust collection bag, which is easily removed, unzipped, and emptied and placed back on the tool. This will collect most of your dust. However, if you're going to use it inside or in an area that you want to create no dust, you can easily remove the bag, attach a hose from any vacuum or dust collector that you may have at home or in the shop, and then you're going to have practically dust-free sanding. I highly recommend it. The sander also comes equipped with a clear front cover. This allows you to view the belt while you're sanding. It also aids with tracking of the belt. Now what I mean by this is to get the belt to move and be centered on the sander itself, or to move it left or right to get up close to a corner, you can turn this small knob here. What this will do is adjust the angle of the roller, and that will move the belt left or right so that you can get either tight up to the left or right. And by viewing through this clear window in the front, you'll easily be able to see where the belt is landing within the sander, and also check to make sure that you don't have excessive buildup on the belt itself. Changing the belts on this sander is also extremely simple and easy. Just pull this lever in the middle, it loosens the pulley assemblies that tightens the belt. Simply remove the belt, replace, slide a new one on, snap this lever back, and you're ready to sand again. Hitachi has also improved the drive belt system on this sander. A wear-resistant V-belt doubles the service life of the belt drive. A V-groove design helps resist wear and provides superior tension from the motor to the belt assembly. They have also provided soft gripped handles at the front and the rear of the tool. This will provide a comfortable grip for extended use of the tool. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, so this tool will be around for a long time. I really like a lot of the features that Hitachi has designed into their belt sander here. From the comfort grip to the left side dust collection, really is a well thought out tool. I also like that the tracking knob is easily accessible and you have a clear view through the front window so you can make sure that the belt is aligned properly. I also like that because they've moved the dust collection to the left side, you can easily get up to a tight corner here on the right. We've all used the belt sander and had the bag get in the way of what we're trying to do. That can be really annoying. I think that this is a great sander. It's very comfortable. It's going to be great for long-term use. It's simple. There are no bells and whistles. It's just a die-hard, work-hard belt sander. It'd be great in any woodworking shop, metal fabrication. I think that you'd really like this tool.